Although the sun sets on this chapter, a new journey awaits just beyond. We appear to have stumbled upon a ship sailing back to the city. I wonder what awaits far within the vast landscape before us. We seem to be staring through this golden gate that frames the red ship sailing with high attention. We see its presence elevated even further by a placement in perfect center space. When we look at the colors in this canvas, we really see this orange-red base, but upon that we do have some distant tones such as purple, but they really are difficult to notice. But of course, with an orange-red base, red is such a high-attention color, it's going to feel most dominant, and then we have the gold which glows all around. We also see a diverse range of textures in this work. We see this everywhere from the reflective water to the billowing sails and even the distant screens in the far horizon. But all of these immerse us so well within this work. But where exactly are we? The setting of this work appears to be a cyberpunk city of some kind. Of course, a site such as this can only be achieved by cultures that are extremely advanced and highly developed. Yet we also feel this grand sense of scale that's often native to the cyberpunk subgenre of science fiction. This initially dwarfs us before inciting a sense of excitement, a sense of curious wonder, and even a call to adventure too. But to identify and to understand the cyberpunk, you'll see everything from a dystopia of highly urban environments, you'll see ads around every corner, or even the use of high-tech surveillance systems, all of which undermine individual freedom. And although these ads permeate every part of the present moment, the site sure is beautiful. On the one hand, we have advanced technology, and on the other, we see an ancient traditional Chinese ship. This work presents a masterful marriage between history and modern culture. We also see what appears to be a couple standing embraced near the edge of a dock. This is no doubt a romantic moment, one which may be so brief as the two just try to make it in such a city. The original artist was exploring a few different themes and moods here, one of which being the idea that the paths you take in life close the opportunity for different choices in your past. It can be a little confusing, but although the sun is setting on this path of your life, it could have always turned out differently. But hero, you must find your way. A new journey has truly just begun. It's a very beautiful, stunning scene. I really love this work. The original work was created using the base medium of digital rendering using the program Blender 3D, and on top of that, we have some additional edits in Adobe Photoshop, for example, to intensify light. That gives a sense of energy to the work, and of course, the base medium of the digital render creates a highly realistic and incredibly immersive environment. We absolutely love it here. We talked about so many different things today, from the high attention red, which draws our eye towards the ship, the marriage between the traditional and the modern, of course, the traditional older ships with the modern world of, say, technology and advertisements. We talked about how to identify the cyberpunk subgenre, look for highly urban environments, look for ads permeate every part of the present moment, and also look for high-tech surveillance systems, all of which act to undermine individual freedom. We talked about the sense of scale here. It dwarfs us before inciting a call to adventure and a sense of excitement and wonder. Once again, really hope you'll enjoy it today. The original artist really creates a lot of these beautiful cyberpunk works. I am truly a fan. The previous work that I studied from the original artist, Lazaro, hopefully I'm pronouncing that right, please forgive me. The original work that I did study from him previously, and I believe the first work that I studied as well, was entitled The Great Pyramid. In both these works, you can truly see the advanced nature of science fiction and, of course, much more refined cyberpunk subgenre. Once again, really hope you'll enjoy it. If y'all did, go check out the original artist. My name is Apollo. This was Apollo Art Analysis, and I'll see y'all on the next episode.